All right, I'm gonna show you the fastest way to rip out shrubs. If you're a landscaper and you're ripping out shrubs out of a garden bed, you gotta use a rope and a sling. Right here, I got this sling from Harbor Freight with the loops. This is a 6,500 pound, I don't even know, 6,500 pound professional carabiner. Then this is a 6,500 pound rigging rope. Okay, so this won't break. I've got a double knot on the carabiner, and then you fish it through. Sorry, 1 second here. This is a triple locking action. We're about to remove them in a second. Look at my truck there. The hitch of the truck. You can be like, why don't you just I just take my skid steer and I rip them out with my skid steer in 2 seconds. Not everybody watching has a skid steer. All right. For the dude in the comments that wants to let everybody know that he has a skid steer. Okay. So, if you can't fish it through, like juniper shrubs make me itch. I'm running a rake through. See? There it is. Hook it on. Roped carabiner. No knots anywhere in the system. Carabiner, no knots on the hitch. I'll show you in a second. Because if you do knots, it'll be so tight, you'll be spending an hour trying to get the knots off every single individual shrub. You'll be here all day. Watch, hook it. This is like the fastest way I found. And when you hit the gas on the truck, you don't like floor it and you're peeling out in the customer's driveway. They're looking out the window screaming. It doesn't work that way. You just slowly keep edging and putting tension. Now, there's one part I didn't tell you. There's a really super cool trick I gotta show you. Come on. I got the knot on the wrong end. Loppers and a handsaw. Somebody showed me this on YouTube and it works like a charm. Come on! I got it. Okay. Now here's the important part. So I got it fished through. You take the tool, like I said. Watch. Here's your knot. See? Watch. It's not cinching because the carabiner's hooked. You bastard! I'm trying to make a video. You son of a bitch. The carabiner's stuck, bro. Ah! I got it. It was stuck on a root. This shit's so fun, dude. Alright, there you go. Cinching up. So I'm doing the same thing like you do with the Blake's hitch, but instead of tying it off, here I'll show you. Like a noose, right? So, watch. I'm just taking the excess. There's many. Now the carabiner's stuck on the root. Come on, man. We just ripped out 4 of these in like 10 minutes. Then I go to make a fucking video and it's taking forever. I look like an asshat here. here we go. Ready? So you run the excess through. Come on down here. All right, run the excess through. Throw a noose on it. That's not how you do it, Kalfas. You do a fucking running bowline knot. She claimed to be a landscaper, doesn't even know how to run a running bowline knot. Guy's a joke. Then you take this and you run it through to catch it, the slack. So it tightens up on that and not on a knot. Now watch. You should never do that. That's against the ANSI standards, PDD, Article 52, warrantless tapping and wire spying on American citizens. I'm telling you. 9/11 was an inside job. It was an inside job. Doesn't come out right away because it's a juniper shrub. Where's the, this is my good saw. I don't want to put my good saw. Oh, it's in there. You can do this, go around shrubs. So in some shrubs, you can literally go underground and you can cut a circle around it and pull it out. And also you can axe it or use loppers to find the root. But if each root is holding like, I don't know, 500 pounds tension per root. Because I could hit the gas in the truck and floor it, I might break the rope. If I break the rope, it might fly back and blow out the customer's window. Like I did last week. Cost me 250 bucks. I'll put the link in the description below. Come on, man. Ooh, is that it? Ooh, that sucker's in there like a wisdom too. It's in there good. It's in there so good. Now, what would be happening is you'd be in the truck hitting the gas while your dude's back here saying, I'm trying to, yeah. That's what you're supposed to do. No, you shouldn't do that. And then the customer, their whole family, they're sitting there playing hopscotch over the rope. It shouldn't be that way. They gotta wear helmets. There goes all your those Kalfas. Just playing. Just playing. But you're trying to crack a joke, man. What happened, remember Saturday Night Live? Shit, dog. All right. That's how you do it. Did it. It's nice. It's good. This is done. Okay, goodbye.